Hi guys, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing tutorial. I am happy that you are joining us today. For those of you who are new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, and for those of you who are coming back, we are so happy that you are looking at our videos, and we trust that you are finding our content helpful and that it is helping you to improve your skills. We want to encourage you to watch the full videos because we do share important tips throughout the video, sometimes tips that are just general to sewing or tips that are useful in different aspects of work that you might be doing. So that being said, today's video is about how you make the blind hem stitch. We always encourage our students to pay attention to the quality of their work from the start to the finish of the project. Today, in keeping with maintaining quality as you finish your project, what we are going to show you is how to use the blind hem presser foot. I know a lot of my students do not like to hand hem their garments, although it is better than using the regular sewing machine stitch. A lot of persons do not like to do it because it is time consuming. So today we're going to show you a faster method to get professional hems using the blind hem presser foot. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the presser foot, and this part right here is our fabric guide. So basically, for the persons who are concerned with sewing straight, you could actually move this, and once I am on the machine, you will notice how it is used to guide your fabric, so that throughout the fabric you are sewing the same distance. The second thing, you need to prepare your fabric, and you will notice that I have folded it twice. And well, I've actually ironed it in place to make everything easier. And when we stitch, we will put the material like this. So notice, this is my hem, or this is my area to be hemmed, and we are folding it back onto itself so that our stitch would be in this area right here. The third thing we need to pay attention to is on our machine, and we will need to set the machine to the blind hem stitch, which is this one right there. So I'm going to set my machine to that stitch, and we also want to pay attention to our stitch length. We're going to keep it at a regular length, stitch 3, and we will also pay attention to the stitch width, because remember, this stitch that we're going to do is actually a zigzag stitch, and we set our stitch width to 3. Our fabric has been folded back on itself as I showed you earlier, and you will notice that the fabric guide is placed just next to the folded area, and we are ready for stitching. So this is what the top area would look like. That's the part we could see while we were sewing. This is what the under area would look like, and that's the part that was basically right next or right against our feed dogs as we stitched. This is what the inner part of your garment would look like. So you also have a decorative stitch right there. And this is what our finished product would look like. Now just imagine using the very same color thread on your project. You will not see anything. So you'll notice that this looks just as if it was store-bought, and to give you that knit and perfect hem quality, you use the blind hem presser foot. Okay you guys, so this is our finished work, and again you achieve that by using your blind hem presser foot, which we have available at the Master Fix It store. You can access that store on our website www.royalglobeinc.com. Thank you so much for staying tuned to today's video. I trust you learned something new, and remember, always pay attention to the quality of your work while you are working on your project. So until next time, bye.